So this is a hitch mount winch holder or plate, whatever you want to call it. If you don't have a winch bumper on the front of your vehicle, this is an option, and I chose this option because it's quite expensive. It takes a little bit of time to install a winch on the front of the 2021 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk, and you have to have pretty much a special winch size wise to be able to fit up in there once you do buy the stuff to do it. And I do plan on installing one eventually, but for now I thought this might be better than not having anything. And it looks really well made. I'll get some closer shots of it here in a minute. And I already had the XBULL 13,000 pound winch that I'm going to install on it with a rope for lighter weight. So I'm going to install that winch on this, and I already have dual batteries in the back of the Jeep to power my camping stuff. So the plan is just to attach the wires to those batteries when I need the winch, if I need the winch. But having a winch, I put it this way, one time of being stuck and not having a winch can be a pain. So, you know, maybe this will be added protection or assurance, but I don't plan on doing nothing major anyway to get stuck, but you just don't ever know. But the only thing about this is you can only pull yourself out backwards unless you're really intuitive about what you're doing. But anyway, this is the bracket, and all you have to do is attach these handles to the main plate, and you can see the 2 bolts per side, so 4 total. And this thing is heavy gauge metal, and it's reinforced. Let's see, I'll get back here. It's got a reinforced piece on the bottom. Wells look pretty good. So yeah, and you know, being that my hitch or my vehicle's only rated to tow 4,500 pounds, you know, be careful about what you're winching with that hitch. But anyway, I'm fixing to mount the winch. The pattern will fit these hose, and then I'll put the fairlead on and it'll pretty much be done. Okay, I've got 2 of the bolts started into the winch. I just flipped it upside down, rested my plate on top of it, and I'm finding the holes. And once this is done, it's complete. Okay guys, I got my winch mounted on this hitch plate, and as you can see, it's up pretty high. It comes straight out of your hitch, and there's enough cable to reach dual batteries in the hatch, and there's plenty of room for my gate to open. Nothing's in the way of the swing up. You know, like I said, this is better than not having anything. At least you can get out of the hole backwards. And the only thing I don't like about it is it's going to take up trunk space. Whereas if it's mounted up front in the bumper, it's there all the time, and it's not taking up any storage space. But on this particular vehicle, it does take a little bit to get a winch in there, and it's going to take a little bit of money, because from what I understand, this winch won't fit the equipment that's made to go up front to modify it for a winch. You have to get a specific winch. Now, I don't know the measurements. I'm thinking that this side over here is skinnier, but I'm not sure yet. I don't have any measurements on the winch that they use. So from what I understand, this may be too big, but at least we do have one just in case. If you're going to use this setup, I would definitely recommend a winch that has the rope cable, not the steel, because you got to tote that thing, put it in and out of your hitch, so you want it as light as possible. And with the steel cable on there, that would add quite a bit of weight, make it a little bit heavier. With that rope on there, it's doable. So I hope y'all like this video. Hopefully we won't ever have to test this thing out, but if we do, it's there. And I have already ran the winch. Everything is in working order, and it will be around if needed. Thank y'all.